How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. So earlier we talked about creating and joining a league. Right now I'm going to be showing you how you can leave that current league. So if you go ahead and access the FPL or the Premier League via the application, ensure that you're using the latest version of the app so you will not encounter any bugs and crashes. For you to access the current leagues that you're in, just go into Fantasy, and this is where all the current leagues that you joined or you created. So unfortunately, you won't be able to tweak along the settings of that current league. You really need to use the web browser that you can use on your mobile device visiting into the Premier League or FPL official website. Once you're here, just simply log in into your account and then at the three lines, switch it into Fantasy and choose on Fantasy Premier League. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see all the current leagues that you joined or you created, and right side on that, you should see the gear icon. If you tap on that, you won't be seeing any other options rather than leave current league. Choose that and then just confirm it. And that is how you leave a league on Fantasy Premier League.